The employment cycle, also known as the employee life cycle, is a framework that describes the stages that an employee goes through from the time they are hired to the time they leave an organization. It encompasses all aspects of the employee's relationship with the employer, from recruitment and onboarding to development, performance management, and ultimately, separation. Effective management of each stage is essential for creating a positive and productive work environment and for maximizing the contributions of employees to the organization. So, let's get started. Phase 1, Establishment Phase. At this stage, the organizations identify the need for new employees and initiate the process of recruiting and selecting candidates to fill vacant positions. This phase is crucial for setting the foundation of a successful employment relationship. The establishment phase includes staff planning in line with business strategy, job analysis, job design, recruitment, selection, employment arrangements, and remuneration. The establishment phase is crucial because it sets the stage for the entire employment relationship. Choosing the right candidates who not only possess the necessary skills, but also align with the company's culture and values is vital for long-term success. Additionally, a well-executed establishment phase can contribute to higher employee retention rates and a more productive and engaged workforce. Phase 2, Maintenance Phase. At this stage, organizations focus on the continued development, support, and retention of their employees after they have been successfully recruited and onboarded. This phase is essential for ensuring that employees remain engaged, motivated, and productive throughout their tenure with the organization. The maintenance phase includes induction, training options, and performance management strategies. The maintenance phase is all about nurturing and supporting employees throughout their journey within the organization. By investing in their growth, development, and overall well-being, organizations can foster a committed and motivated workforce, ultimately contributing to their success and productivity. Phase 3, Termination Phase. This marks the end of the employment relationship between an employee and an organization. This phase encompasses the various processes and procedures that occur when an employee departs from their position, whether voluntarily or involuntarily. The termination phase includes termination management, employee entitlement, and transition issues. The termination phase can be a sensitive and challenging process for both employees and organizations. Handling terminations with empathy, professionalism, and compliance with relevant labor laws is essential to maintain the organization's reputation and ensure a smooth transition for departing employees. In conclusion, understanding the 3 phases of the employment cycle is not only beneficial, but essential for businesses. It enables the business to optimize their workforce, reduce costs, maintain legal compliance, enhance their reputation, and ultimately achieve long-term success in a competitive business environment. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.